Racing just is started. We have Love Minstrel. Break quickly at start. Moving up on the outside, coast to coast. Fitters Denial. Serenata comes next. Atoy for us. Rushing up now on the outside is Wildest Fury. Runaway Champ comes next. Miss Pangaw. Then next online is Royalty. Running by the rail is Most Unbelievable. While Lady Boss is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Love Minstrel by about 3 lengths. Peter's Denial in second. 3 lengths further back in third comes Serenata. Coast to coast comes next Runaway Champ. Alongside comes Atoy for us, Most Unbelievable. And on the outside now is Wildest Fury. Royalty comes next, Miss Pangaw, while Lady Boss is still racing in 11th. Inside the Tres Octavo, 2 runners now fighting out for the lead. Peter's Denial is running by the rail. And on the outside is Love Minstrel. Coming closer now in third is Coast to Coast. Runaway Champ Serenata. Then comes Most Unbelievable. Moving up Wildest Fury, Miss Pangaw. Atoy for us, Royalty. While Lady Boss is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Peter's Denial, coast to coast. Moving up now at the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have coast to coast. Moving up on the outside is Runaway Champ, Peter's Denial, Love Minstrel. And finally, it's going to be coast to coast. Runaway Champ, Love Minstrel, Peter's Denial, Wildest Fury, and Most Unbelievable for your Super 6.
8, 6, 4, 5, 10, 2. Unofficial.